This is a video for a flip clock model Copal Caslon 201, one of the more famous models made by Copal, one of the first models, and as you can see, of course, the light is working. We just saw it flipping, so the motor is working. It's very silent. It's in a stunningly beautiful condition, lovingly restored by me, of course. Who else? Shining very bright. Brand new cable, new plug, contemporary styled. Front is of course glass, taken off and cleaned thoroughly by me. No damages worth mentioning whatsoever. So yeah, there we go. Let me just quickly show you the label. Yes, there you go. Thank you for watching.